Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to build a full website in just minutes using Claude 3.5. No coding skills needed, just simple steps. So let's get started. Step number one, you have to go to your browser, type in cloud.ai, and log into your account. Now, if you don't have an account yet, you can go ahead and sign in or sign up. And then once you're inside, you will see a chat box right here. So this is where everything happens. Now, this is the most important part of the video. You need to tell Cloud that what kind of website you want. So you can click on the chat box and then start typing. So you can also just copy this one, but if you want something more specific, you can go ahead and make your own prompt. You can also make use of ChatGPT or Cloud AI itself by creating your prompt. So you can go ahead and type something like this. Create a simple website for a coffee shop. Include homepage, about page, menu, and contact section. So you can use and then use clean design and modern style. Then after typing, press enter and just wait for a few seconds. And then Cloud will just generate the full website code for you. So now you will see a lot of code in here. So don't worry, you don't need anything, or you don't need to understand everything in here. So you just have to scroll through and check if it looks complete. So you should see HTML, CSS, and sometimes JavaScript. So if you want changes, just type again. Now, as I told you earlier, you can make a more specific prompt. So you can make a use of the AI tools to make your prompt. So you can also add make colors brown and beige, or add a hero section with a big title. And then Cloud will just update it for you. Now, once you're happy with the result, click and drag to select all the code. And then right click, then click copy. So now open a notepad or any code editor like VS Code. So in this one, I used VS Code. And then just click on create a new file, paste the code, and then click file and then save as. So you have to name it index.html. So just make sure that the file type is all files. Then after that, just click save. Now, once you're done saving the file, go to where you saved the file, double click the index.html file, and then boom, your website is now live on your browser. Now, as you can see on this website, it's not really that nice. It doesn't look professional for me. So you can just go ahead and make your own prompt. So that prompt that I just pasted, I just got it from ChatGPT. It's very simple. It doesn't, it's just generic. So you can just use, or you can make your own prompt to make sure that it looks something that you would really like. So if you want to edit something, you can go back to Cloud, ask something like change the font to modern style, or you can also add a contact form and then copy the new code again and replace the old one. And then just refresh your browser to see changes. And that's pretty much it. That's how you build a full website in minutes using Claude 3.5. Super simple, no need for coding stress. So if you want, you can even upload this to hosting later and make it public. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll just see you in my next one. So if you have any more questions, just drop down to the comment section and I'll be reading them. So That's it. Bye.